Here goes a video showing the tools and the process of how to remove stuck brake rotors and also how to prevent it in the future.
The three ways were big hammer, heat and puller, and a modified bolt. The first method that I'm going to show is using a hammer. I used several types, and in this case it did not work. So I got out the gear puller, and by itself the gear puller did not work, so I had to add heat.
Sometimes you get it under good pressure like this and you add heat and it'll just naturally relieve itself and pull off. All right, it worked. Okay, so this is a bolt and nut that I found that should work well. So what I'm gonna do is set the nut aside. And I'm gonna put the bolt in my lathe here. And we're gonna cut the first couple threads off. So now I just hold this nut out here. And I'm going to turn the bolt in. Try to go like 180. All right, rotor's off. Okay, one way to avoid having this get stuck on the car again is to, first of all, you can buy a coated rotor. For me, the coated rotor was about $10 more per rotor, and I want to be able to show what you can do with this rotor. This surface here and this fang surface here, this is the part that will end up getting corrosion and just almost bond to the axle, drive axle. So what I'm going to do, this is my plan here. Now this paint job is not need to be for looks. It just needs to form a protective barrier between this metal and the environment.
I hope this video will be helpful next time you need to remove a stuck brake rotor. Have a great day.